How to find saved audio on Facebook. Start by opening up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Over here, tap on Video as shown. Then, tap on Saved. Here, you can view all your saved videos, audios, effects and more on Facebook. Tap on Saved Audio. Now, tap on any audio to play it. You can always unsave the audios from here if you want. This way, you can have access to the saved audios whenever you want to revisit them. Following these steps, you can easily find saved audio on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.